How to add and use the Translate feature on your keyboard on Android. This tutorial shows you how to translate text directly from your keyboard using Gboard. First, download and install Gboard from the Play Store if you don't already have it. After that, open Gboard and make sure to allow all the necessary permissions it asks for so it works properly. From there, set Gboard as your default keyboard when prompted. At this point, open any app with a text field and bring up the Gboard keyboard. In the next step, look for the Translate icon directly on the keyboard. It may already be visible on the top row of the keyboard. Following this, if you don't see it, tap on the four squares icon at the top left corner of the keyboard to open the full keyboard menu. Once done, find and tap on Translate from the available options. From here, by default, it will be set to detect language, meaning it will automatically identify the language you are typing and translate it. At this stage, if you want to translate to or from a specific language, tap on the language selector and choose your preferred languages. Finally, start typing and your text will be automatically translated in real time before you send it. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you add Translate to your keyboard, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.